Okay guys, so in this tutorial, okay, I'm going to teach you guys how to make your system to run faster. Okay, if you are having a slow system, okay, your system is not processing so fast, I want to teach you how to make your system to be fast. Okay, and you have never seen something like this. I'm going to show you guys the full process, the full steps, okay, to make your systems to be fast. Normally when your system is slow, what you have to do is to go and change the RAM. Okay, the RAM, maybe if you have a 2 gig RAM, you have to upgrade to 4 gig. But in situation whereby you don't have money to upgrade the RAM, okay, this is what you will do to make your PC to run, to start running faster. Okay, oh, thank you. So let's go for it. Okay, so okay, now first what you need to, let me bring up my screen keyboard so you can be seeing everything. Okay, because you know this is tutorial, so you have to follow me also. Okay, so go to search bar here. At the search bar, type run, arrow your n. Okay, you click enter. Okay, then you type percent, you click shift. Okay, you click percent, you type 10 shift t, shift percent t e n p. Okay, you click shift again, percent. Okay, you see what I type, percent t e n p, percent. Okay, you click OK. So this file here, okay, all these files you are seeing here, okay, is not working on your system. It's making your PC to be slow. Okay, so what you, those files, your PC have already rejected those files and is making your system to be slow. So what you need to do is to click, is to delete all these files by clicking Ctrl A. Ctrl A, your Mac, you come to the folder, click Ctrl A to highlight all of them, then you delete. Okay, you delete. Okay, you delete all of them. Okay, you close, it's deleted now. This is the first step. Okay, you come to the second step, you type run again, R U N. Okay, you open, you remove the second, you type, after you click run again, okay, then you type temp. Okay, temp, T E M P, temp. Okay, you open, this is the second folder. All this is making your system to be slow. Okay, you right click or you can mark all of them. Okay, you delete, you delete. Okay, you delete. This is the second one. The third one, you go to run again. Okay, the same run, R U N, click run. Okay, you type, I'm coming, I need my keyboard, you know this story. We bring the run again. Now you people knows how to bring this run, right? Is RUN, you take out the run. Okay, so you click P, P R E F E. Okay, T C H. Okay, PREFETCH. You click OK. You delete this. This is making your system to run slow. Okay, all this is all unnecessary files that your Windows have already rejected. It's blocking your system to process fast. You delete. Okay, and those files you are deleting won't have any harm on your system or delete your files. No, it's on dump files. Okay, so remember this is the third one. Okay, the fourth one is on DOS command. I know people don't know about this DOS command. Okay, you click the same run. Okay, you type CMD, CMD, you click. This is DOS command. They call this DOS command. Okay, they call this DOS command. This is how the first operating system. This is how it looks. You type. Okay, you type. So, and hacking coding. This is how coding is by till now. If you want to learn coding, this is your type. That's how coding is. So, but in this class we are not doing coding. Okay, we are learning how to do your system to learn faster. So what you will do here is to type C. Okay, let me use my screen keyboard. You type CH. Okay, K D. Okay, X K. Okay, CHKDSK. Okay, you type this command, you enter. I've already done this, so I don't need to repeat it again. You click enter. With this, some things we process on this DOS command. Okay, this is making your hard disk to run this thing is cleaning your disk to make your disk to start running the way it was running the time you buy your system new. Okay, so it will start running so fast again. Okay, all the unnecessary files, all the error files that is blocking your hard drive to be processing files, this command will remove it. Okay, then the fifth one. Okay, the fifth one is you go to your hard drive straight. This is the hard drive. Okay, this is the hard drive. You open your computer, you go to your hard drive, your right click, you go to property. Okay, you do this clean up. Okay, your Mac, you select all this, you do clean up system. That's all. You click clean up this system. It will prompt something here, delete, you confirm, apply or okay. Okay, you approve it. Then after processing, you will start your system. Okay, your system is good to go. Okay, this is the full process on how to make your system to run faster. Okay, so thank you guys, and see you guys on the next video.